Hello, this is Jesse with Nexus Property Management, coming to you today with a brand new rental that we have here in Worcester, 83 Canterbury Street, unit number 3. When you come in the unit, it looks like you kind of come into the formal dining room. This is the main entrance right here. And this would probably be, used as like a dining room. Definitely can fit a huge table in here, probably 8 to 12 people, no problem. Could probably be used for other additional living needs as well if you didn't want to use it for a dining room. Off of the dining room is a real nice living room. Could easily fit a huge couch, sectional, maybe a couch and a love seat, nice coffee table, probably a nice entertainment center with a big screen TV on top of it right there. Headed back into the dining room, you have bedroom number 1. As you can see right off the bat, we have some built-in storage capabilities. All 3 rooms in this unit are about the same size. This unit, you could easily fit a king-size bed, a dresser, a couple nightstands, a couple nice windows to let in some nice light, breeze as well during the summer months. And a nice little walk-in closet for all your storage needs. Continuing the tour, off of the dining room, you have the kitchen. As you can see straight ahead, you have a nice full-size 18-cube fridge. You have a 5-burner gas stove with a hood vent, little storage above it. Also in this area, you have a nice little storage pantry area for all your food and storage needs. And you also have room for this would be kind of like your informal, maybe eat-in dining room, breakfast nook type area. I can see a nice like round table here for like probably 4 people. It would fit real nicely. And then the rest of the kitchen is also over here. As you can see, a nice stainless steel sink. It's got the modern faucet, plenty of cupboards. You can also see it has a nice dishwasher. It's got the marble-like countertops. There is a washer and dryer hookup there. A washer hookup there, and then there is a electric dryer plug there as well. In the kitchen, you have the newer kind of grayish tone, kind of modern-looking wood floors. They're the vinyl planks everybody's looking for. And then, the rest of the unit has some real old but nicely finished hardwood floors throughout. Off of this area is bedroom number 2. As you can see, once again, could easily fit a king-size bed, dresser, nightstand or 2, and you have a nice walk-in closet as well. We will continue the tour into bedroom number 3. Once again, like I said earlier, all bedrooms are pretty much the same size. You could easily fit a king-size bed in here, a couple nightstands, dresser, and once again, you got the nice walk-in closet for all your storage and clothes needs. Straight across from bedroom number 3, you'll see there is a full-size bathroom, toilet, medicine cabinet, vanity, and full tub and stand-up shower. And then at the very end of the unit, the back exit, there is also storage capabilities for all your seasonal needs out back. So once again, this is Jesse with Nexus Property Management out of the Worcester office. If you are interested in this unit or checking out all the units that we have available, please head to our website at nexuswor.com. That's nexuswor.com, and you will see a For Rent tab that has all of our listings. You can also feel free to give us a call at 508-687-3001, and you will want extension 3 for the leasing department. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.